What if your kitchen could save you hours every week? Most people never notice the tiny habits stealing their time, but Japanese kitchens quietly solve them every single day.
At first, the difference seems almost invisible. But hidden inside this kitchen are 8 simple habits that quietly save hours every single week.
Most kitchens waste time with unnecessary steps. Ren and Yuna keep everyday essentials exactly where they're used, making every meal faster, smoother, and far less stressful. Most people prepare while they cook. Yuna prepares before she cooks. One simple change removes interruptions and makes the entire kitchen flow effortlessly. Most people clean after cooking. Yuna cleans while cooking, so when breakfast is ready, the kitchen is already clean. Many kitchens lose space to clutter. Ren and Yuna keep only today's essentials on the counter, making every movement easier and every meal less stressful. Many people waste time searching inside the fridge. Ren and Yuna use clear containers and simple labels, so everything is found in seconds. Most people put things away later. Ren and Yuna put them back immediately, keeping every task simple and every kitchen ready. Many people leave tomorrow's mess for tomorrow. Ren and Yuna spend 2 minutes resetting their kitchen, so every morning starts stress-free. Which of these 8 habits do you already use, and which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments. If you enjoyed this documentary, like, share, and subscribe for more. What should we explore next? Leave your ideas in the comments, and we'll see you in the next documentary.
Like this video, share with your friends, subscribe for more breaking updates. See you in the next video.